is waiting for a connection.
Right. So today I'm going to talk about there is a concept is called as variable length formal argument. In yesterday's class, we spoke about default argument concept as a parameter for the function. So when there is a user is not able to provide a value for the argument, then default value would be taking, and it would be helpful in a certain situations. Like the today's concept is variable length argument in the same parameter. One so when the end user supposed to pass variable number of argument. Yeah. To handle such a situation, we do use, there is a concept called vector declaration. Using star operator. Right. So let's take a small example where I'm going to write a sum is the function. Like sum is the function. Let's suppose I'll be taking a comma b comma c are the three arguments as a formal parameters. Right? So here written a plus b plus c. Right? Now we are going to call this particular function. We are going to calling function definitions. Yeah. What I'm doing here. So we have to be import from the functions concept. Isn't it? Import variable length argument as we now. So v dot, there is a function is called as a sum function where we are going to pass 10, 20, 30 as the parameters. As we are returning the value from the function definition, we supposed to be hold the result over here. So therefore, print sum result colon result. If you execute now, you will be getting an output accordingly. 60. My point is, I would like to call on another function. Their result is equal to v dot sum of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like, if there is a calculator you have, right? One person might be calculate 2 plus 3. Another person might calculate 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. You cannot predefine only these many terms, these many numbers can be performed sum, right? It's completely unpredictable. Yes or no? So in that particular situation, if we execute now, what happens? What error is thrown to you? You just observe now. There is a error is thrown to you that there is a function which I have defined called sum, will be taking max 3 positional arguments. But how many you have given? 8 you have given. It's not able to handle. Let's suppose there is a Google search, right? There is a Google search. This is the a text area where if I keep Devara, only one word, one string I have given. Afterwards, if you click on Google search, what happens here? One argument will be given to the function where under the search function there is a one keyword is given. Okay, it will be give you output to you. Now I'll be giving another keyword, movie. Again, I am going to search. The searching pattern is going to be search changes. If I click on it, Devara movie OTT. There is another. Clear? Devara movie OTT in Telugu. Clear? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Devara movie OTT in Telugu Aibomma. See the number of keywords you would like to pass to the function might be vary person to person, situation to situation. Till the desired output you won't get, you will be keep on changes the pattern of the keywords which you are trying to search for desired documents. Absolutely. So the concept which we are learning now here is that it's not a sum, it can be applicable for n. Yes or no? So now what's the solution now? Yes, there is a, we have to go here that whenever we declare here, rather than declaring, if you want 10 numbers to be performed sum, will you declare 10 variables? No, that's not a right way. So simply, if I make vector is a scalar vector which holds a one value. If it is holding more than one value, it will be called as a one-dimensional vector. If the value will be stored in a tabular form like rows and columns, it is a two-dimensional array. Then three-dimensional array, n-dimensional array. Now point is here, I'm going to change the logic little. What's the logic? 1 second. I want to perform the total, right? Isn't it? So for I in operator vector colon total is equal to total plus I. Yes or no? Then obviously after completion of that I would do print. Clear? Now, so you could just go here. Now the output would be given to you. We can pass 9. Isn't it? Yeah. So there is no limitation for that. See, this kind of things are required sometimes, Let's suppose you take formal, another example, like, I just shown you like a Google search. There is no predictable number of variables or keywords could be passed to such a desired document. Are you clear? In computer also, in computer, you are trying to search one document, PSR. Clear? If PSR related documents are there, it will be shown to you. VSR, no documents. VSR pics, VSR images, you are changing the pattern or not. As you are searching for one keyword, you are not finding the desired document. Two words will be given, 3 words will be given, 4 words will be given. That's till you get the desired document. You will be keep on changing the keywords, number of keywords to the function. So here, wherever there is a search icon, right? It has a function which will take as many number of parameters to you. So the concept is, being a coder, whenever you are writing a definition of a one particular function, be careful that the end user could be able to change the variable arguments as in number of time he want. Being a coder where you are writing a definition, don't be restrict to keep only few keywords. It's not in our hand actually, because your application would be used by end user. Yes or no? That's the concept over here, right? Okay. I hope you understand that, what's the purpose of the variable length as the formal parameter. Are you clear? Okay. Yeah. No. It's not a keyword. It's just, it's variable. You can keep it as V. You can keep it as J. Accordingly, here you change the word. Like, here J. These are all user defined. You can call here. Clear? Just, in C programming, you might have remembered or not, command line argument. Do you remember? In command line arguments, there is a argv. Are you seeing? Main function will take 2 arguments. Are you seeing? 1 second, just hold on. Yeah. You look at argc is nothing but argument count. Argv indicates argument vector. This is the same like a variable length argument at Python. Are you clear? Okay. That's all. Yeah. Okay. That's right. So I'll go with some other things like